there are 13 vitamins present in our diet. This includes vitamin A, 8 types of vitamin B, which we together call as the B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. First, let's talk about vitamin A. Where do we get vitamin A from? It is present in orange, yellow vegetables and fruits as well as liver and fish. Vitamin A is necessary for us to be able to see, specifically at night. Lack of vitamin A can cause a disease called night blindness, where sufferers are unable to see at night. Vitamin A is also essential for keeping skin healthy. Lack of vitamin A causes an ugly threatening of skin called hyperkeratosis. Now, let's move on to the vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex includes all of this. Each of this has special functions in our body. Vitamin B1 is present in oatmeal, brown rice, potatoes, and eggs. B2 is seen in dairy products as well as bananas and green beans. It is an important component in many reactions of our body. Deficiency of B2 can cause mouth sores at the angles of the mouth, as well as chapped lips and ugly scaly rashes on our skin. Let's move on to our next vitamin, which is vitamin C. Vitamin C is extremely important for proper functioning of our immune system. In fact, vitamin C has a technical term or a technical name, and it's called ascorbic acid, and is present in all citrus fruits like the lemons, the oranges, and the limes. It is an antioxidant which removes harmful substances present in our body. It helps in growth and repair of our bodies and is important in the production of collagen, which is present in many tissues of our body, including bones as well as tendons and ligaments, which attach muscles to each other as well as to bones. This particular explanation of how tendons and ligaments help attach muscle to muscle and muscle to bone is already gone ahead and seen in the chapter on body movements. Also, vitamin C is essential in healing of wounds and sores in our inner body. Next on our list is going to be vitamin D. Vitamin D is present in fish, milk, butter, and eggs. It is consumed in its inactive form and is activated by sunlight. That is why it's so important for us to go out and stand in the sun for a while every day. This vitamin D helps promote calcium deposition in our bones and teeth, making them stronger.